Hello, my dear students. I'm your Sandhya ma'am from MBM Public School, and today I'm just going to provide you second video of class 10th that is related to your poetry section, and that is Fire and Ice, composed by Robert Frost. Okay. Before starting this poem, I want to declare the title of this poem and summary of this poem. Then I will start this stanza. The title of this poem is that Fire and Ice. Student, I told you this poem is based on the symbolic poem. Symbolic means there are two symbols which relate to the another things of life. Means fire stand for desire. Desire means wish, ichha. Ice stand for hate. Hate means grida. Okay. So what is the cause behind it? So the poet want to tell us that there are two causes to destruction of our world. Means if our world will be destroyed, there will be only two causes. First is fire, second is ice. Okay. So the main theme of this poem is that how our world will end. So let us start the first stanza. The poet start this. Some say the world will end in a fire, and some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. Okay. Some say, means here the poet saying that some people are saying that our world will be destroyed only because of fire, and some say, means some of the people saying that our world will be destroyed because of ice. There may be two reasons. Either our world will be destroyed because of fire or ice. Okay. Which element is a powerful? He described in the two stanza. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. Means if we talk about the taste of desire, desire means beta, I told you, desire means fire, and fire provide us the, you can say, desire, wish, lust, and you can say the materialism of the society. Okay. So from what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. Means if we talk about the desire, it is very powerful element to destroy our world. So I'm along with that person who favor the fire. Okay. Here the poet favoring those people who are talking about the fire. Okay. First stanza clear? Means in first stanza the poet is saying that a lots of people saying that our world will be destroyed because of fire and because of ice. But if we talk about the desire, so desire is stronger than ice. So I I'm along with that people who are favoring about fire. Clear? And the second stanza is that, but if it had to perish twice, here the poet saying that if our world will be destroyed two times, perish means to end, to die, twice means two times, do bar. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of death. If we talk about the hate, so the poet is thinking that it is enough to destroy our world, our universe, because hate is enough. In that people we mostly notice that a lots of hatred is derived because of this. They provide their bad conduct towards each other, so that is enough to kill to each other and destroy this world. To say that for destruction eyes, it is also great. Some of the people saying that the destruction means to end, to destroy, to finished because of ice. So our world will be destroyed because of ice. It is also great means ice is a also great and powerful element to destroy our countries, our areas, our society. It is also great element. Okay. It is also unique. It is also big. And would suffice. And it is also enough. Enough means sufficient. Dear, suffice means the sufficient. Okay. Enough. Paryapt. So if we talk about the eyes, that is also enough to end our world. So in the second stanza, the poet have described that if our world will be end 2 times, so that is enough to end because of hates. Okay, so means to sum up, we can say that the two reasons can make our country destroy, that is enough. If I say in Hindi, इस दुनिया और इस ब्रह्मांड को ख़त्म करने का सबसे बड़ा माध्यम अगर बनेगा तो वो दो चीज़ है। पहला तो फायर जो कि हमारे इच्छा को जन्म देता है, और दूसरा आइज़ जो कि नफ़रत को जन्म देता है। इन दो एलिमेंट्स काफ़ी हैं, ये दो एलिमेंट्स काफ़ी हैं हमारे पूरे विश्व को नष्ट करने में। ठीक है, तो हमारी दुनिया इन्हीं दो कारणों से ख़त्म होगी। ये पोएट का मिज़्न है, ये पोएट का जिस्ट है। Okay, clear? So let's discuss the components of this poetry. There are two components. First is this is the symbolized poem, because fire stand for something and ice stand for something. So clear? And second thing is that the rhyme scheme of this poem. So rhyme scheme of this poem is that the first stanza contain the rhyme scheme A B A A B A A B A A. Okay, because fire resemble desire and desire resemble fire, but ice is a different. So first line A, fire stand for A, ice stand for B, desire stand for A, and fire stand for A. So the first stanza's rhyme scheme is A B A A. Clear? And the second stanza's rhyme, if we talk about that, first line lead the twice, second hate, and third eyes, and fourth great, and fifth suffice. Okay, so twice and hate are different, but eyes and twice are resembling. So twice is a B, and hate is a C, and eyes is a B, and great is a C, and suffice is a B. So our second rhyme scheme is B C B C B. Okay, B C B C B. So that was the rhyme scheme of this poetry, and here your poetry your this poem has been completed, and the next video I'll be provide you the next poem. Till then, stay home, be safe, and keep it continue.